like a lighthouse on a lost ocean. Your light will always guide me home. And every time I feel like I'm drowning, your love comes and saves my soul. When I was a child, my father said to me, follow the light, and don't be afraid of the dark. When it creeps in, it tries to break you. Follow the light, follow the light, follow the light. You keep my heart